Uh, the everyone, I'm good. We are here to demonstrate with inventory system in ShowKicks Me with my Cheryl Santos and Casio. So let's start. Here here we have a login form. Here you will see the login form where you simply log in to your account using the main account of this website.
So I'm Francasio Vizamaila. I'm gonna introduce inventory.
Ano po naman
So
to?
let's go to the inventory. So now we first of all we don't have any product, so we need to add product. So we type example. We type our chocolate add name of product chocolate cake. So add size like small. How many stock of small chocolate cake? So 20. Add ingredients like eggs, flour, milk, like that. So so we add flour, milk, like milk. So we put stock like 20 pieces, 30 or 40. So how much we stock in our inventory? Like our stock inventory of eggs in our inventory is 40. So we put 40 and flour like 30 grams and milk 20 cups. So after that, we save the product. So we can see the product are added. So we go to the orders. Antisas.
Good day, everyone. So this is the order page. First, let's add order. And then we have customer name here, like for example, Frankie. And then let's search for the cake that we added earlier, chocolate cake. Please search chocolate cake. And then quantity, please input 3. And then add to cart. And then we can see the table that we ordered, like item chocolate cake, size small, quantity 3, unit price 100, and then total price is 300. And then we have also here the action remove, but let's save it order first. Let's save order.
Inventory. I-print, print.
We can see that we have also here the table, and then we have status pending. To complete that, we click the mark as complete if the order is handed to the customer.
Open second.
And then we can also print receipt here. And this is our receipt. And we go to sales. In here, we have select filter, print receipt, order ID, items, total cost, date, and then actions. To print this, select the daily and then print report. We can print the report. Like all the orders will gonna be in the daily sales.
So after that, we go to inventory. So you can see the egregious are all deducted, the eggs are deducted also, the flour are also deducted, and milk also deduct. So after that, I you can see the sold tree, and after that we go to edit. So we edit. So we can edit also. We can remove the eggs, flour, or milk. So can you try remove also the flour and save. Let's wait. So you can see the egregious are removed. After that, we go to print. Is it hold on? You can see the inventory report like product name, size, and current stock, and the ingredients of the product. And, and that's all. We go to log out. So thank you. That's all.